Okay, we're back. I set up the box that I got from GLC, the package for Rockies, and I sprayed it in the bathroom, or guest bathroom, and I also used the mask. So be aware, be advised, be advised that you have to use the mask for that kind of sprays. Don't inhale that. Preferably go to your garage. Remember about using some kind of box protection for any surfaces that you may affect, because this thing flies even to 1 meter around. It's like a cloud of paint. Don't inhale that. It's toxic. It's really bad for your lungs. I'm not going to show you spraying itself, but I'm going to talk about Zenithal priming. We have our Rocky Prime Black, but covering that black with medium mid-tones paint, which is Beastie Brown. It's going to be difficult. It's going to take more layers. The more layers you put, the less details you have. So that's why we're using the surface primer from Tamiya. And what is the rule to achieve this Zenithal priming? You have to switch to that kind of mode of thinking of it as a model lit from the top. Like normally characters in games, people in the street, we have our light surrounding us. The shadows goes at the bottom. The highlights goes at the top. So if you look at it from the side, you can see that perfect shadows, highlights at the top, shadows at the bottom. You can achieve that brushing, just brushing on the top parts using gray or white primer, but it's going to take time. Spray is faster, especially when you order 4 or 5 Rockies. Spray will give you that extra saving of your time. And the rule is you put your miniature in the middle. So this one is already done. You put it in the black one. You have the reference. This is how it should look like. Dark bottom. You don't spray the bottom part. We need those shadows for the next parts. And the top is highlight. So you're not spraying from the top like this, like vertically from the top. You put it at an angle of maybe 45 degrees, 50 degrees, maybe up to even 60. So it has those shadows going from the side as well. As you can see here, it goes from the side, and you have that shadow at the back as well. So maybe 30 centimeters, 1 foot, right, for Americans. And never, ever spray the first batch, first press on the miniature. Sprayed to the side on the box. You look at the paint. If it's dripply, if it's any kind of bad paint, you check first on the box. You never checked on the miniature. It's a tip I learned. I didn't make that mistake, but I saw people on YouTube giving that kind of tip with the mistake shown. So I always remember that. Never spray on the miniature. Spray on the box first, and then you spray. And you spray like not like continuous flow. Keep that can away from the miniature, the further the better. You can even go 40, 50 centimeters from the miniature. That's how you're getting those transitions from white, from gray to black. And that's what we want to keep, because we're going to put really thin coats of paint on those, and it's going to go through that paint. We're going to see the brighter brown and darker brown. Even when we use Beastie Brown, you can achieve quite nice effect using just Beastie Brown, some highlights, skipping the shadows, because the shadows are already there. They just need a really thin coat of Beastie Brown, and that's it. You can use 3 paints, right? 2 or 3 paints. You don't need the whole set. So spray it with a small short presses, like this, and then let it dry at least 20 minutes. What's on the package? They don't mention the time. No, actually no. 2 seconds. Thin coats, yeah, it has to be thin coat. Okay. There's warning, first aid. Everything legit made in Japan, so the quality is there, guys. Let's get to the painting the Beastie Brown in next chapter.